Hello boys and girls, this is Miss Bonnie and today we're going to be reading Nature by the Numbers by Lynette, Ruschak, illustrated by G.B. McIntosh. One acorn becomes one oak tree. Two buds become two daffodils. Three chicks become three ostriches. Four cubs become four lions. Five eggs become five crocodiles. Six tadpoles become six frogs. Ribbit. Seven blossoms become seven strawberries. Yum. 8 spring leaves become 8 autumn leaves. Pretty. 9 nymphs become 9 dragonflies. 10 caterpillars become 10 butterflies. 100 fireflies. Wow, that's a lot. Light the night sky. The end. Have a nice day, guys.